Melting moments. It's like shortbread cookies filled with lemon buttercream frosting, but better. These cookies literally melt in your mouth, hence the name. To make the cookies, beat butter, vanilla and icing sugar until fluffy. Start the beater on low to avoid a snowstorm, then increase the speed as the icing sugar starts to get mixed through. Then mix the flour and cornflour in by hand, adding 1/3 at a time. Mixing by hand is safest here to ensure we don't overmix the batter, which would make the cookies tough. Scoop up small mounds. A cookie scooper makes short work of this. You should get 28 or so. Then roll into balls using lightly floured hands so the mixture doesn't stick to your hands. Flatten using a fork lightly dipped in flour. Then bake for 15 minutes. This is what they should look like. Very pale golden with no browning on them at all. Just like your favourite shortbread biscuits. While they're cooling, make the lemon frosting. Beat the butter first until light and fluffy, about 1 minute. Then add 1/3 of the icing sugar and beat it in, again starting on low at first, then increasing the speed. Next, lemon, then beat on high for a couple of minutes until it's really light and fluffy. A piping bag is a fast way to spread the frosting on the biscuits, and plus it makes it look nice and neat. Otherwise, you can just spread with a knife or spoon. Use all the frosting. Nobody wants a melting moment without enough frosting, right? Sandwich together, then let's get stuck into them. They look so good, just like the ones at your favourite cafe, right? Except better, because homemade always tastes better. Oh, look how happy I look. That is so good. It totally deserves a name. Or mine.